Traders, welcome to Ford Revolutionary Forex Institute. This is Gosnati, the founder and a trader of Ford Revolutionary Forex Institute. So, traders, thank you for tuning in at Ford Revolutionary Forex Institute so that we can continue to share the content with you, traders. And it's very humbling and it's very humbling and appreciated from us from Ford Revolutionary Forex Institute that most of you guys you really appreciate our content that we are sharing on social media. So thank you for tuning in and motivating us to continue to share our content with you guys. So today, guys, in this video, I'm going to share the setup of the Gbpaud. Okay, so you know that I analyze from the monthly time frame to daily time frame, and then sometimes I also move to 4-hour time frame. So before we move any further, traders, let's read the risk disclaimer for trading. Trading foreign exchange and stock markets on margin carries a high level of risk and may not be settled for all investors. Past performance is not indicative of future results. The high level of leverage can work against you as well as for you. And then lastly, any information or advice contained within this platform is shared for educational purpose only, and it should not be considered as financial or investment advice. So traders, let's move to the chart. So traders, here on the monthly time frame, it's not like on the monthly time frame, I just shared the monthly time frame so that we can look at the bigger picture of the market, what is actually happening in a bigger picture. So here it's very simple, traders. We do have the possible formation of the wave cycle because we have this we have this regular impulsive, this bearish impulsive movement, which is the first leg of, which is the first wave of the wave cycle, because we have must have two waves. So we have the bearish impulsive move, and then we have this possible formation of the correction wave. So now our main focus is at the formation of this correction wave. So you can see here it seems like we are wave. So our correction, it seems like it will be completed, or it might be completed as the double zigzag pattern, because we have wave W completed in three waves. So you can see here we have wave A, wave B, wave C. Then we also have our wave X also completed as A, B, C. Then now it seems like we are approaching to complete our wave Y. So as you can see, traders, we already have our wave A, then our wave B. So it seems like we are approaching our wave C. So at this time, traders, this is what we have. So the market has started to approach in terms of the relative theory, guys. So it seems like the market has already like started to approach to, yes, it has started to approach like wave Y. So I want us to go to the monthly, to the weekly time frame. So when we go to the weekly time frame, I want us to focus on this possible formation of this bullish impulse, of this bullish movement here. So as you can see here, so you can see this is the end of wave B. So when you go to weekly time frame, this is what we have. We have the end of our wave B here, and then we have this impulsive move to the upside. But in terms of the relative theory, guys, it seems like this impulsive move, it seems like it might be completed as the, we call this the expanding diagonal impulsive wave pattern, because the reason we say it's a diagonal impulsive wave, it's because our impulsive wave, it seems like it will be completed as the triangular pattern. So if our impulsive wave pattern is going to be completed as a triangular pattern, therefore we label that impulsive move as the diagonal impulsive wave. So in terms of elliptic theory, this is supposed to be wave 1, wave A. So for me, it seems like this is going to be completed as the expanding diagonal impulsive wave pattern. So at this time, what we have wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, then we have wave 4. So this is the end of wave 4. As you can see, after the market completed wave 4, we have this morning star reversal candlestick pattern, morning star reversal candlestick pattern, and then there was a trend line here, and then it was broken, and then we also have this change of character here, because you can see here this is our lower low, lower high, lower low. So you can see here that the market broke our previous lower high. So when the market started to break the trend line, because we had the downward trend line here, and then when the market break the trend line, and thereafter in the bearish trend, when the market break the bearish trend, and thereafter break the level of the previous lower high, therefore we can start to expect the market to move in a bullish direction. So as you can see here, we have the bearish trend line here, and then it was broken, and then the markets broke the supports of the previous lower highs. So therefore, that is a change of character, which means that the market has started to move in a bullish direction. So in terms of the relative theory, as I've indicated, I'm looking for wave 5. So in term for me, this is the start of the formation of wave 5. Okay, so this is so now I want us to go to the daily time frame so that we can pay more attention, or we can look at this possible formation of the bullish movement on a clear picture. So let's go to the daily time frame. So you can see, sorry, so here you can see this is the end of wave 4, and then thereafter we have the like the 5 wave to the upside, which is the formation of wave 1, wave A. The reason I say this is wave 1, wave A, because as you can see here, it's because the impulsive wave, the wave 5 in the expanding flat, sorry, in the diagonal impulsive wave pattern, and then wave 1, wave 3, wave 5 in the diagonal impulsive wave pattern, they might be completed in 3 waves. Okay, as you can see here, our wave 1 was completed as ABC, and then same thing applies for our wave 3. Our wave 3 was completed as ABC. Here, it's also possible that our wave 5, it might be completed as ABC. Okay, but also at the same time, this might be wave. So that is why I said this is wave 1, wave A. It might be wave 1, wave A, because wave 5 can be in the in the diagonal impulsive wave pattern. Wave 5 can be completed as in 3 waves or in 5 waves. So for now, we do have the impulsive. The most important point is that we do have the impulsive wave to the upside, which is wave 1, wave A. So and thereafter, it seems like the market is approaching to complete like wave 2 or wave B. So for me, wave 2 or wave B, it might be completed. It seems like it's going to be completed as the single zigzag pattern, because we do have our wave A completed as the leading diagonal impulsive wave pattern, then wave B completed as a zigzag pattern, and then now we are approaching a wave C. So for me, a wave C, it seems like it's going to be completed as wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Okay, it seems like it's going to be completed as a regular impulsive wave pattern. So here, traders, some of you will notice here there are these two errors here. It means here last week, traders, it means I executed a buy position. Okay, last week. The main reason I executed a buy position, traders, it's because you can see here we do have this doji here. So you know, in terms of the candlestick patterns, when the doji is formed in the bearish trend, therefore we can start to expect the market to move in the opposite direction. So here, traders, the main reason I executed a buy position is because of this doji. Number two, traders, it's because I last week, for me, in terms of my analysis, this seemed like this was going to be the double zigzag pattern, because for me this was wave X, wave, and then sorry, this was wave W, then this was wave X, and then I was looking for wave Y. So for me this was supposed to be what, like A, B, C, then the end of the correction. But after uh, from last week up until now, for me, this price action here, it doesn't look like the market is going to form like a bullish movement. This is because for me, this seems like a correction wave, the correction pattern. So the correction pattern was formed in a bearish trend. So when the correction was formed in a bearish trend, therefore we should expect the market to continue to move in a bearish direction. But for me, this is not going to be like a long bearish movement after this correction. It's going to, so for me, I'm just looking for the market just to go to the downside, to continue with the bearish direction, but not for a long time, because now for me, I'm just looking for a buy position, because we do have this long term bullish movement, and then we do have this correction. And then again, traders, this for me, this is a good area to execute a buy position around this area, because when you use the system of the premium and then the discount zone, the system of the premium zone and then the discount zone. So for me, this is the good area to execute a buy position, because here, traders, this is a good area of the discount zone, because when you use the Fibonacci level, you will find that this area it's exact at 78.6%. Okay, so for me, this is a good discount zone to execute a buy position. Okay, because that will maximize my risk reward ratio. So traders, that is all I have for Gbpaud. Okay, so what are we supposed to do here, traders? Before I close the video, it's just I'm waiting for the price to complete this correction wave, and then go to the downside, maybe to this area of 1.88760. And then also, traders, the market is also possible that the market can even the market can even decline lower to this area, because here, traders, if you look closely, we also have this demand zone, because we have this drop, and then we have this base, and then we have this rally. So this is the formation of the good supply zone, because the drop, and then the base, and then the rally. So if the market fails to complete like wave 5 around this area of 1.88760, therefore we can expect the market to complete like wave 2 around this area of 1.88010, even around this area of 1.87260. But for now, what's the the main point here, traders, is just to wait for the price to complete this correction and then come to the downside, and thereafter we can start to look for any bullish reversal candlestick pattern or any bullish reversal pattern in order to execute a buy position. So traders, that is all I have for Gbpaud, and I will see you this week, and I will give you an update this week on this currency pair. Thank you for watching, traders. I will see you during the week.